Hello guys, this is Prime Concept. We want to take a quick look at this problem on ellipses and see how we can solve this very fast under exam condition. So the question says the equation of the ellipse whose center is at the origin and foci at this point, vertices at this point is what? So first, if the center of the ellipse is the origin, it means that the general equation is going to be x squared over, okay, let's say over a squared plus y squared over what? B squared equals 1. So we're still going to determine the major axis so that we can know if we have a squared below x or a squared below y. So we want to determine the major axis of this ellipse. Now, very quickly, we know that if the, of course, okay, we have 0, so it means the major axis, since we have 0 at this point, you have 0, it means that the major axis is your what? Is your y-axis. So the correct equation should be b squared, and then this should be a squared. So do well to take note of this point, very important. So 0 at your x means that your y is your major axis. Now quickly, the vertex is given as this, and we know that the vertex, considering our origin, is actually 0 comma plus or minus a. This is the vertex of our ellipse. Now quickly we can use this to find the value of a, and then we later find the value of b and solve, find the equation. So using this, a vertex given to us is 0 comma plus or minus 5. So it simply means that a, by comparison, a is equal to what? Is equal to 5, right? Yes. So I know a. The next thing I need to find so that I can get my equation is b. So also my foci f for the standard form is 0 comma plus or minus ae, right? Yes, this is my foci. So I can compare this with what is given to me. What is given to me is 0 comma plus or minus what? 4. So if I compare this, I would quickly see that AE is equal to what? 4. So AE is equal to 4. And I know A already has 5. So I would say that 5E is equal to 4. So that I can say that E is 4 divided by 5. So I found E. The next thing I want to get is B. Remember, my aim is to be able to write this equation. I have A, I need B. So why am I going through this? Because I need E to find B. So quickly, for an ellipse, we know that the relationship is b squared equals a squared into 1 minus e squared. This is the relationship. So b squared is what I'm trying to find. B is what I'm trying to find of b squared. So I have a, what is my a? 5. So I have 5 squared into 1 minus e. What is my e? 4 by 5 all squared. So this is what I have here. So that b squared becomes 25 into 1 minus 16 over 25. So this is going to give me 16 times 25 times this. 25 minus 16 is 9. So I have 9 over 25 in there, so that this can go. Then I would quickly get that. I would quickly deduce that from here, I will deduce that my b squared is equal to 9. B squared is 9, so that we have that a squared is actually 25. So if I know these two things, I can then write that the equation of my ellipse is going to be x squared over b squared, what is b squared? 9, plus y squared over a squared, which is what? 25. This is equal to 1. So this is what I'm looking for. This is the equation of the ellipse. So I believe this is clear. Thanks for watching Prime Concept.